It's your girl Sin, and I am back with another video. And if you want to know what I'm doing today, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Welcome back, Print Squad, T-shirtpreneurs, big timers, old timers, and if this is your first time watching my videos, welcome first timer. So today I'm going to be unboxing a new addition or something that I'm adding to my business real soon. Something that I'm going to be adding to my business. And I'm sorry, y'all, the electricity just went out. Okay, the electricity just came back on. Y'all see, I'm telling you, it's crazy. It's crazy up in this place. It's crazy up in this place. So the lights just went out while I'm filming. I tried to, keep rolling with it, but okay, everything coming back on now. So y'all gonna hear a few little sounds of equipment coming back on. But we just had some snow today, y'all, and I'm gonna try to get right back on the subject and not hold y'all too much, but I'm gonna try to let this printer calm down because it's making a little bit of noise, which could be for bad video. So we gonna pause real quick and let this printer do what it's gotta do. All right, y'all, so I ended up having to unplug the printer because I don't know what's going on with it. I haven't used that printer in a minute, but for whatever reason, it's very excited today. I don't know. I just actually got this product in the mail, and it's something, and it's really kind of crazy with this thing I'm about to show y'all, because a few years ago, I had a person that gave me the software because they run a business that pertains to this type of business that I'm about to show y'all. But they actually gave me the software. So I actually do have the software so I can create my own designs and do everything. But it was just this opportunity that came up to where I could get a good rate on these products. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got. All right, for those of y'all regulars in the community, when I show y'all this box, y'all probably gonna already know who it's from, but I'm gonna go ahead right here. Here's the box right here. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm going to, let me see, I'm gonna just cut on the side of it. Let me see, I'm gonna have to change the camera angle because I want y'all to be able to see what it is I'm doing. So she did instruct us to not cut the box open. And then she put all this tough tape on here that make you have to cut. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it gently. And go ahead and peel this wrapping off. And right here, look right there. Warning, warning, warning. Do not cut box. So right there, she let you know, don't cut this box or you're going to have some issues. And right here, you can see her info right there. Right there, as you can see, that's her little logo. So we're going to go ahead, and if I can open this box up without destroying anything, that's what we're going to do. Maybe okay, I got it from the right side. All right, so right here, look, y'all. Y'all look what your girl got right here. Y'all see what your girl got? So I have right here, this is 250 gross. This is 250 gross right here. And it's not gross at all. It's actually sparkly. It ain't gross. It's sparkly. And right here, we got another 250. And all of these are actually 250, but the bigger ones, as you see, these are bigger. So these are smaller. So it actually looks like they're different sizes, but they are the correct size. So that's what I got right there. All right, so with the rhinestones that I have right here, I actually do not yet have a way to store them. So I will be looking for a way to store them. I'm gonna show y'all what else I got. And even though this stuff is not open, I have had it for several years. I actually had this at the old shop. So right here, this is actually a rhinestone kit. It is what brand is? I don't even know what brand it is. So it says it's a silhouette rhinestone kit. I don't know what all is included in here because I haven't opened it, but it does have like the brush, the little brush tool in there, and what else? Got a few little rhinestones in there. I don't know. We're going to eventually open this up. I have, this is like a little, it's a little set right here. It's got like the little scoop thing thing for the rhinestones that you can scoop them up and you can keep them in that little triangle container. And it's got like 2 wax pencils. And I got this thing right here because I saw that Eve had one in her video. So I have that right there. I have these 2 little scrapers right here that came with the Udo that I purchased years ago. And right here, this actually came from, as you can see the logo right there, the Rhinestone World. Matt from the Rhinestone World gave me this several years ago, probably about maybe 4 years ago, somewhere like that, 3-4 years ago. And he also gave me the software. So I have the software on my laptop. Now all I need to do is get to work and get to learning how to do this and learning how to make rhinestones. So if y'all are interested in seeing rhinestone videos, or if y'all have tips or thing, oh, the last thing that I have right here is actually not the last thing, because I actually got it around the same time I got everything else except for this little pack right here. But here's a tray. Like I see some people use like chalkboards and different things like that, but this tray right here, you can do the same thing with this tray. So that's what I have. It's like, you know, just like a little serving tray. And as you can see, this tray was brand new. It is a little bit dusty because it's been sitting up here for probably about 3 years, 2-3 years, maybe 4 years. It's been sitting up for a minute. All of this stuff that I have right here. And now that I have these other rhinestones right here, you know, your girl done spent some money on it. So I can't not use it. I just, you know, I'm continuing to spend money on this, you know, even though it's not like a whole lot of money. And I do feel like rhinestones may be a cheaper thing to get into than a lot of the other stuff that I am into, as far as like sublimation and DTF and screen printing, because rhinestone, you don't need like a whole bunch of stuff. Most of y'all that's watching my videos, y'all already have a heat press and a cutter. And the ones of y'all who don't have a heat press or a cutter probably do not have it because you are just getting started and you're just looking up information to get into t-shirt printing or the printing business of whatever kind that y'all are looking to get into. But I just wanted to come on here and show you guys my little rhinestone setup, which is right here. And hopefully soon you guys will be seeing some rhinestone videos from your girl. And if you're interested in any of these items that I have right here, I'm gonna put the links down below this video for you guys. And also other equipment that I use, there'll be links below this video, so make sure y'all check it out. And if you're still watching and you're not subscribed, what you doing here? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and also make sure you hit that notification bell so that you won't miss out on the future videos that I'm going to be uploading, because I'm about to be uploading like crazy, for real. And I appreciate you guys watching, and hopefully I'll see you in another video, maybe. But until then, be blessed.